Okay, mice, you are free. There's 1, 2, and 3. Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to catch a bunch of mice in the barn with this brand new mousetrap that I bought online. It comes in several 3D printed parts, but assembly is very simple. We have our paddles here that slide together. There's a hole in the center that fits on the spindle. And this piece also has a second hole that allows it to spin. There's 2 grooves on either side that fit on the lip of a bucket. It's very adjustable. It works on all size buckets. Let's go get our clear bucket and set this up. I'll show you how exactly it works. We also have the 2 ramps here that snap together. This will allow the mice to climb up and get the bait. Setup couldn't be more simple. Just put it on the lip there. Add our ramp. We'll put peanut butter on each paddle. The mouse will come up there, try to get the peanut butter. As they step on this, it spins and drops them down. This is based on a very old style mousetrap called the Mescal Meal. It's over 400 years old and it still works great. Let's go set up the motion cameras in the barn and see how many mice we catch with this 3D printed spinning mousetrap. When I went to go check the trap this morning, I saw we have 3 mice in the bottom of the bucket. When I reviewed the motion camera footage, I noticed we didn't catch them all in the trap. Instead, 2 of them wanted the bait and jumped down, avoiding the trap. They just simply jumped in the bucket. We would have caught mice even with nothing other than sunflower seeds and a bucket. But one of these mice can really jump. It went down, got bait, and jumped out several times before finally stepping on the trap. It spun, it dropped down, and for some reason it must have been tired. It stayed down there. So this trap does have some problems. First of all, they can really hold on the side. When this spins, they can feel it and back up. But overall, we did catch some mice, so it does work, but it's not the best design. Now, I actually invented my own design similar to this. It's called the Dizzy Dunker. It has spinning paddles, but we have a cover, and it makes sure we catch the mouse every time. Now, what we caught here is a native species of mouse called a deer mouse. Because we caught them in a live catch trap, and because they're not invasive, they're part of the natural ecosystem, instead of killing them, I'm going to take them out in the wild and set them free. Okay, mice, you are free. There's 1, 2, and 3. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have a mouse problem, please consider clicking the link in the description and purchasing one of the mouse traps I invented. It's called the Dizzy Dunker Mousetrap, and I consider it to be the greatest mousetrap ever made.